Coach PJ here. I am in Rio Grande, Ohio with my husband at the birthplace of Bob Evans Restaurant and Homestead. A terrific story of a small business owner that has built a successful and thriving business over 8 decades with locations in over 18 states and grocery stores everywhere. Here are some things we can learn from Farmer Bob. Business had a clear philosophy from day one. We do it right or we don't do it. Having a clear philosophy from day one allows the business to evolve without losing sight of what's important. Even as the company expands, way beyond the original founder, decisions are based on this mantra. As an entrepreneur, it's important to be grounded in a philosophy that stands the test of time. Community focus. The company has built a network of relationships with local farmers and suppliers. They're in the community working with local farmers and business owners. They have a long history of giving back to their local communities. As an entrepreneur, your community can frequently be your best resource. Local communities are often great at providing proving grounds for your product or service. They can also provide a variety of resources and connections, especially in the early years. Expansion was based on core competency. They didn't try to be everything to everybody. It's not a health food store, it's not fast food, it's not a hotel chain. It's based on farm, fresh, home-style food. This core competency has taken them into restaurants and grocery stores. As an entrepreneur, focus can often be an issue. Take a page from Bob Evans. Stay true to your core competency while exploring the possibilities. Don't let distractions take you away from what you do best. A strong culture. Bob Evans was built on a culture of treating strangers like friends and friends like family. This culture extends far beyond the customers that walk through the doors. It's all about those who work with and for the Bob Evans organization. As an entrepreneur, building a business is more than just about products and services. It's also about how you make the customer feel. And that starts with your team and your suppliers. Be intentional about the culture you're building. We look forward to eating our way through the Farm Days celebration here at the original farmhouse. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call. We can get together for a coffee meeting. Or if you know that this is something you absolutely want to do, then we can sit down, look at your business, and get started. Your business profit. Until next time.